So I'm going to show you how to create a virtual live session and also how to record a virtual live session in Google Meet. So we're going to go to your G Suite account. We can click on the waffle. We can just go to, after we sign in with our district credentials, we can go to Google Classroom. Okay. And I want to have a virtual live session with this class right here. So what I first want to do is I want to add it to my calendar so that the students get that notification and get that invite for a specific day. So let's say I want to have it on Wednesday, and then I'll say workout. Okay, and then I'm going to select the time, which I guess I'll have it at 11 o'clock a.m. and we'll have it for 30 minutes. Okay, then I want to add a Google Meet video conferencing, and here automatically the system generates a link. So this link is going to be shared with all of the students that I'm going to be sharing it with. Okay, and then on the description, workout with team. And I want to add it specifically to, again, that class. So again, I'm going to click on Girls Lady Javelinas online, and everybody in that class will get the link. All right, location, I'll just say online. And then I'm ready to save it. Okay, if I want to give them a notification that like a 15 minutes notification, I can just simply add notification, and then I can type in whatever time. So 15 minutes prior to, they'll get notified, and then all they have to do is click on that link. So I'm going to save it. All right, now automatically those students in that class get that notification, they get the link. All they have to do is click on the link. Now when I'm ready for my actual live session, I'm simply going to go back to calendar, and then I'm going to go to the workout, and I'm just going to click on join Google Meet. So now I'm going to go ahead, when I'm ready to join, select join now. And now I can present, I'm ready to start my session. I'm also going to turn on captions just in case. So turning on the captions, now everything that I say, the computer will appear on the screen. And now I'm going to present. Now I'm ready to record. Okay, so I want to record this session. I'm going to click on these three dots. I'm going to select record the meeting. Okay, accept. And now the meeting is actually being recorded. So if I want to present something on my computer, present. I want to present my entire screen. Yes. And then click share. And so now everything that I'm presenting, everything that I'm doing on my screen, all the participants can see what I'm doing. Okay, so if I want, I can use other applications such as Jamboard, which is a whiteboard that I can use, and I can go ahead and demonstrate and give a live lecture with this Jamboard. Okay, I can also use, go to Google Classroom. I can share something on YouTube. I can do anything and everything depending on the other technology resources that you have. When I am done sharing, and when I'm done with my live session, I want to make sure I click on the three dots, and I want to stop the recording. I'm just going to go ahead and stop recording. And Here's the key. The recording will be saved under my Google Drive account. It's going to save in my Google Drive under specifically, I'm gonna go to Google Drive, a Meet meeting folder. So Meet recordings, and you also get an email letting you know when that recording is done being saved and uploaded into your Google Drive account. Okay, so it takes, depending on how large the file is in that meeting, how long the meeting was, that's when it'll be uploaded. So it may take some time, but you'll get an email letting you know that your recording is ready. So it'll be saving your Google Drive account under Meet recordings. And when I'm ready to share that, I can right click and share it with who I need to share it with, or create a shareable link and upload it to whoever I need to send it to, or whatever website I need to upload it to. And that is it. And if you have any questions, just email me at aaron.whitelaw@psjisd.us.